there, curious minds! Have you ever wondered if you could power a light bulb with a lemon? Or maybe turn a potato into a battery? Well, buckle up, because today, I'm going to show you the surprising science behind fruit-powered batteries. And trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. First things first, what even is a battery? Simply put, a battery is a device that stores energy and lets it out as electricity. It's like a tiny energy backpack for your gadgets. But get this, fruits like lemons, oranges, and even potatoes can be used as batteries. No magic, just science. So how does it work? Inside every fruit, there's something called an electrolyte. It's a fancy word for the squishy, juicy stuff inside that can help electricity flow. To turn that fruit into a battery, all you need are two different metals like a copper penny and a zinc nail. Stick them both into the fruit, but make sure they don't touch. Here's where the magic happens. The acid in the fruit helps tiny particles called electrons travel from the zinc to the copper. If you hook up wires to both metals and connect them to a small light or a buzzer boom, you've got yourself a fruit-powered gadget. But why does this actually work? It's all about chemistry. The zinc nail slowly loses electrons. They travel through the wire to the copper penny. That flow of electrons is what we call electricity. The fruit isn't actually making electricity, it's just helping the metals do their thing. And the more fruits you connect in a chain, the more power you can get. Want to light up a tiny LED? Try connecting a few lemons together. It's like building your own power station, right at your kitchen table. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can you power your TV with a lemon? Not quite. Fruit batteries make just a small amount of electricity enough for little gadgets, but not your game console or laptop. Still, it's a super cool way to learn how batteries work and why chemistry is so important in our everyday lives. Before you run to the kitchen and start poking holes in all the fruit, remember, always ask an adult for help, especially with sharp objects or wires. And don't eat the fruit after you've turned it into a battery. So the next time you see a lemon or a potato, think about all the hidden science inside. Who knows? Maybe you'll invent the next big thing in clean energy. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, science is everywhere, even in your lunchbox. Catch you next time, science adventurers.